Hey there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. This is part 2 of a tri-tip experiment, so let's get to it. I got to take a first stab at the smoked tri-tip on the last episode, and it turned out great. It cooked really quick and had a great flavor and texture. I loved everything about it except I cooked a tad bit longer than I wanted to. This time I'm taking the second tri-tip I saved from the last package and throwing it on the grill to cook like a traditional steak. Let's start with avocado oil. Pour or spray a small amount and spread them all on all sides of tri-tip. You won't need much, just enough to cover the surface area. I am using Kinder's Prime Steak Seasoning with black garlic and truffle. It's a thick cut, so I'm putting a generous amount throughout. While the salt in the seasoning does its thing, let's fire up the grill. Start the fire with a chimney filled with B&B hardwood lump charcoal. Get it blazing hot for searing. Today's cook is going to be real simple and quick. No crazy cooking method. I just want to get that good sear on all four sides first to get that dark brown crust. Once I get the crispy outer layer, I'll pull it to the side and cook them indirect until the temperature is close to medium or medium rare. Charcoal is ready. Let's get some searing action going. Let's put the fat cap side down first to get that fat sizzled up. Since it's a pretty thick cap, I'll be cooking on this side a bit longer than I would with regular steaks. And of course, there is definitely going to be some flare-ups, so be sure to keep an eye on the grill. Rotate the grate around to get them away from the direct fire. The fat cap should have a great sear by now. Let's flip them up to check it out. Oh yeah, I got it sizzling for sure. Nice charring on the fat cap. This looks good already. Now it's time to get the other sides going. Rotate them out so you have a decent searing on all four sides. The internal temp is showing about 115 to 125. Let's pull it off the heat. It's got that great sear on the fat cap and pretty dark brown color on all sides. I could almost taste the beefiness by smelling it, but I can't take a bite out of it just yet. I brought it inside to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the whole tray and patiently wait. The moment of truth. I picked out the one that looked the best. Let's slice it in half. The pink in the middle, lots of juice is flowing out. It's very tender and has that chewy texture. What you should watch out for is that if you overcook it just a bit, that chewy texture turns into a rubber-like tough texture. So keep an eye out when the meat is on the grill. For today's cook, I'm very satisfied with how it turned out. I prefer the flavor of the smoked and then seared tri-tip, but my wife prefers the straight-up grilled tri-tip. There you have it. What is your preferred method of cooking tri-tip? Do you like it smoked and then seared, or traditional grilled tri-tip? Or do you prefer to cook it like a brisket? Please share with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.